In the UK, nurses are set to begin round 2 of their strike. Nurses across England will go on a 2-day strike starting today. The health services that are expected to be hit across hospitals and community care centres. Officials have warned of big disruptions. The second round of strikes by nurses after the Christmas weekend comes after the UK government and the Royal College of Nurses failed to reach a settlement on increasing pay amid a cost of living crisis. The latest industrial action puts further pressure on the state-funded National Health Service, or the NHS. According to UK Health Secretary, 2 days of strikes by nurses in December led to the cancellations of around 30,000 elective procedures and outpatient appointments. Despite the problems, the striking nurses do have public sympathy. In a YouGov poll, 63% of the respondents support the nurses' strike. The support is driven by the fact that soaring food prices and energy bills in the UK have hit the low-income workers the hardest. But 10 Downing Street still believes it is not the right course of action. The government continues efforts to implement the UK's strikes bill, which will ensure minimum service levels. The new bill gives the government the power to unilaterally assert levels of service provision from striking workers in key sectors. The bill also gives union bosses the authority to fire striking workers. Unions can also face legal action here.
Let's all of us, united, send a message across the road to 10 Downing Street. We will fight tooth and nail to protect the right to strike.
UK ministers have repeatedly claimed that the International Labour Organization supported the government plans to enforce minimum service levels, but in the latest, the head of UN's Agency for Workers' Rights has denied the organization backs the UK's tough new laws against strikes.
Digital economy, we cannot continue to rely.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.